Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's currently about 6:30 on Saturday morning, and yeah, I just loaded up the trailer on the car and I'm going to head out from Tauranga, where I live, up to Auckland to pick up something pretty special. So yeah, I'll be filming the whole thing. So it's my first time at making sort of a more day in the life vlog type video, so I hope you guys enjoy. Alrighty, let's go. Better move the bins so I don't take them out. Got some straps. So the trailer's all loaded up. The trailer's all tight. Let's get a cold start on the old rig. As you can see there, 5 degrees, so she's pretty nippy. First up in the morning, Mackie D's. I'm gonna have to park and go in because I can't go through with the trailer. I'll just park here for a second. Alrighty, got some breakfast and yeah, just gonna head out now. I don't know about the 2-hour journey to Auckland. Alrighty guys, so pretty much at the guy's house. I'll be there in about 10 minutes. So obviously I've got the trailer on, so I'm picking up another bike. So you guys will have to just wait and see what it is. But yeah, the bike's not actually for me. But I'll go into detail a bit later on when I actually get it. But I'm yeah, just about to pull up at the guy's house, and then I'll give you a run through once I've got it on the back. Pretty good drive though. Guys, so I just pulled over in this sort of industrial area and new like building development, and here's the bike. So believe it or not, it's another 2008 RM125, and yeah, this thing's got some goodies on it. So yeah, like I mentioned, this bike isn't actually for me, and I didn't actually buy it. So yeah, I'm actually doing some work for a guy, doing a new top end on it. But yeah, in return I'm putting the RM250 suspension on this bike, and I'm getting the Öhlins that's on this. So as you can see, got the complete Öhlins rear shock. Yeah, it needs a service, just an overall tidy out. I'll get the spring re-powder coated back to like that factory yellow, and then I'll give it a tidy up, put some new stickers on it. And then the front, they are just the stock RM outers with the Öhlins internals in them, which is sweet because finding like bushes and seals and stuff for the Öhlins forks is quite difficult. So yeah, it's good that I'll be able to use the factory seals and stuff, and yeah, have the Öhlins internals, so they'll be super nice to ride with. As you can see, they're leaking a bit of oil, but they're going to be pretty sweet on the 250. So yeah, I just drove up from Tauranga to Auckland to pick it up, and I'm just putting a new top end on it and an hour meter and swapping the suspension over. and then I'll deliver it back to the guy. But I'll make another video, or if it's not on this one. But yeah, the bike's pretty sweet. It's actually for sale. But yeah, top man Jack for letting me come pick up your bike and do the deal. So now I'm just gonna start heading back. I'm going to watch my brother play rugby. So that's sort of on the way back home. So yeah, we'll go we'll go through Natia, go watch him play a game of rugby, and then yeah, we'll start heading home and might dive into this thing today and see what's to go with it. But I'm so excited to get that Olin's stuff like refreshed and then on the 250, because yeah, it's just going to be so nice, and yeah, they're worth a little bit of money. So yeah, top man Jack for doing the deal. Luckily the scenery in New Zealand when you're driving is really good. I've never been to the States or anything, but from videos and stuff, it's just long straight roads. So yeah, at least driving isn't too bad in New Zealand, because you've got windy, fun roads with yeah, nice country scenery. Pretty stoked with how the old Mondeo is pulling. My first time driving by myself, towing, yeah, and so far it's not that bad. For this car, it's only a 2 litre, and she's getting pretty tired, but it actually pulls this trailer pretty good. But yeah, it'll be way better when I get a ute. What do you guys reckon? Should I buy a ute and do a build series on the ultimate bike hauler? I don't know, I reckon that'd be a pretty cool build series, building a lowered ute perfect for towing bikes and stuff. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. But yeah, I'm just sick of driving this car already. You know, I really need a ute. So I need to get the 125 done as fast as I can, so I can yeah, move on. So yeah, stay on the lookout in the near future for a ute build. A couple of my mates are looking at getting utes as well, so we might get a few different utes going at once. Alright guys, so I'm just about to leave Natia now. Just watch the bro play rugby. Got a feed, so yeah, we'll start heading back to Tauranga. It's a pretty nice drive on the way home, so I've got the GoPro running on the windscreen. So yeah, I'll do a time lapse, and then those of you that aren't from New Zealand can check out some of the scenic roads on New Zealand. So yeah, roll the time lapse now. So this is the Karangahaki Gorge. Yeah, it's pretty much a windy bit of road for about 10 k's. So yeah, it's pretty fun to drive. Alrighty guys, so I've just made it back. It is now 20 past 4, so yeah, I've been driving pretty much all day, but you've got the bike back there on the trailer, and just get it unloaded and I'll chuck it in the shed. And probably not going to get any work done today. I'm just too knackered after driving, so yeah, I'll just chuck it in the shed, and then yeah, I'll just give you a run through on the bike and stuff. I just noticed the right fork is pissing out oil, so yeah, that was the one that was leaking when I picked the bike up. So yeah, that suspension's going to need going through before I put them on the RM250. But I'm not too worried at the moment because the 250 is not ready to ride. So yeah, it's not really a biggie. Just focused on the RM125. Geez, it's going to get confusing. Focused on my RM125 for now. Get that done so I can sell that. But yeah, I should be able to turn this one around in a week and have it drop back off to Jack next weekend. But yeah, not really too worried about getting the suspension rebuilt yeah, as fast as I can. So as you can see, the forks are leaking quite a bit of oil. But so yeah, they're going to need to be gone through, but it's leaked all over the trailer. But just get it unloaded. Just another quick walk around of the bike. So overall it's a pretty tidy bike really. So yeah, I'm just fixing the bike up for Jack before he sells it. It seems like everything's functional. It's got some pretty nice graphics on it. It's obviously been someone's race bike for a wee while, just with the suspension and the graphics and stuff. But yeah, looks pretty sick. It's got a Pro Circuit Works pipe, which is pretty dented, but and it's got the full Ohlins. I think we'll give it a start up, it'd be rude not to. Turn the fuel on, choke up. Right, it's kicking in the guts. Actually, better make sure it's got fuel on it. Alright, it's got a wee bit in it. It'll be enough to just start it up. Yeah, that's the bike, and yeah, it seems to run alright. That's pretty much going to wrap up this video. Next video we'll probably be ripping into it, getting the top end and stuff off it, install new piston rings and stuff, get an hour meter on it, and yeah, we'll take the suspension off and swap it from my 250. But yeah, super stoked with the deal that me and Jack sorted out. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up. So cheers for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.